Flying Ray is a leading precision injection mold manufacturer that provides business-oriented one-stop services, including modeling solutions, special shaped waterway design, mold flow analysis, and etc. Through the use of complex processing technology to provide precision mold modeling, metal parts molding processing, and plastic parts manufacturing. In recent years, many advanced equipment have been brought in Flying Ray, including electrical discharge machining of Japanese Sodic Mirror, Japan Makino V22, and Jingdao 5-axis high-speed machining center high-performance composite molding, American EOS Object 260 Connex 3 3D forming metal plastic, Japan Wasino optical projection grinder, American Moore CNC coordinate grinder. Our products are involved in fields of security, home appliances, auto parts, communication equipment, electronic appliances, medical equipment, etc. Each mold is manufactured by the team that is composed of experts and mold manufacturers. Based on more than 50 sets of special processing equipment, we can independently participate in the whole process of mold design, part manufacturing, and mold assembly. Now Flying Ray has been a comprehensive enterprise, integrating design and development, customized mold manufacturing and product processing, sales and after-sales. Adhering to the attitude of being responsible for the customers, we always make molds and manufacture quality products that meet the common expectations of the customers and us.